everyone, it's Leslie here, and I'm here to give you guys a closer look at the new Heffy Doodle release. This time it is bigger than ever before, and we're also introducing a new product type to our repertoire. Let's take a closer look. Introducing Oceans of Love. This is a 4x6 stamp set, and we have got some cute little sea critters here, including a jellyfish, a narwhal, a sweet little shark, he looks really happy. We've got a turtle, a manta ray, and this itty bitty little starfish. This set also includes some scene building elements such as the pile of rocks. We've got 2 shell images. We've also got some seaweed and kelp images along with some bubbles. We've also added some cute little heart dash images here as well to help you build backgrounds and have lots of fun. As you can see, we also have got some sentiments that coordinate with this set. For example, we have Sending You Oceans of Love, where this set gets its name from. We've also got You're a Starwhal. I've got Something to Say. Thank you for all your kelp. I'm honestly a little jelly. I really hope to see you soon. You're a little ray of sunshine. And you're amazing, that's for sure. As you can see, we also have got coordinating dies for this set. And you'll get the dies for each of the little critters, each of the scene building elements, including the teeny weeny little bubble dies. For this release, we've also introduced some dies for the larger scripty words in our stamp set. So I mentioned earlier that we're bringing a new product type to the Heffy Doodle range. We're so excited to be bringing you stencils. And this is the Bubble Wave stencil, which coordinates lovely with our Oceans of Love stamps and dies. You can use these stencils with your inks, with embossing pastes or mists and much more to create some fun backgrounds for your cards. Also to coordinate with the Oceans of Love stamp set is this Heffy Cuts die. This is a stand-alone background die which will give you a perfect 5.5 by 4.25 inches background panel with the stitching effect around the edges, and will also give your background this cool bubble stitching effect. How cool is that? Now in this range, we also have got 4 of our standalone brush lettered Heffy Cuts dies. And first of all, we have the word love. This is the perfect size to coordinate with some of the sentiments that you get on your Heffy Doodle stamp set or to use on the card itself. Let me also introduce you to Teacher's Pet. Now this fun stamp set has got 2 little bear teachers here. We have a male bear and a lady bear here, and then we also have got 3 cute little kiddos ready for class. Like our other stamp sets, we also have some scene building elements such as the blackboard. We have an apple, of course, for the teacher. We have a rosette, a pile of books, a notepad, a backpack, a crayon, and a beaker. We also have some little tiny images here that you can use to stamp onto your blackboard, or you can add them onto the little notepad here. We also have included 2 sets of glasses so that you can add these onto the bears to get more mileage out of your stamps. Now this stamp set has a lot of images in it, and you'll be happy to know that the coordinating dies are there too, with your images for all of these, apart from the tiny little ones here which go inside the stamped images. To go along with this teacher's pet stamp set, we've also created a set of sentiment stamps, which is called Teach Me Words. And this will be perfect for building the sentiments for thank you cards, whether it's for a teacher, a childminder, maybe a daycare worker, or indeed a boss. We've added a collection of smaller images here of sentiments, so you can help build lots of different sentiments for your cards. To go along with the teacher's pet and Teach Me Words stamp sets, let me introduce you to the NUMICON stencil. This stencil has got a collection of random numbers all over here, and you can use this to create a fun background, once again using inks and mists and embossing paste and lots more. Of course, we also had to include one of our brushed lettered Heffy Cuts die in the word teacher. Let's take a look. Say hello to Yappy Happy Mail. This stamp set includes 3 cute little puppy images, and we also have a collection of envelopes. We have a parcel and a post box, and of course a mailbox as well, so that we can make sure that we were catering for either end of the globe. Also included in this set, we have a cute little paper airplane and a collection of hearts and little paw print images, and some sentiments to go along with these images. We have sending oodles and poodles of love, sending a card full of hugs, and then we've also got in 3 separate images, Yappy, Happy, and Mail. We've included the word you if you want to put sending you, and there's a tiny little post stamp here that you can add to the post box to make sure it's easily recognizable. Like our other stamps, we have got coordinating dies for this stamp set, and what's really exciting is that we've got 3 internal cut lines in this die set. First of all, we have an internal cut line for the pillar box, the post box, that will cut along the side, along and up on the slit here. Then we've also got an internal cut line here on the mailbox, and that means that you can actually tuck little envelopes into both of these images or the hearts. We've also got a slit, a line here, cut line on the paper airplane, and it will cut just along here. And it looks really cute if you add either an envelope or a heart tucked into the paper airplane for a more whimsical look. Once again, we've also got a cutting die for the word sending in this stamp set. The perfect accompaniment to the Yappy Happy Mail stamp and die set is our sending Heffy Cuts die, brush lettered and turned into this sweet die which will look great on your cards. Introducing Wingman. This stamp set has got 4 cute and happy looking little parrots, and we've also got a stand and a swing image here to help you build your scene. We've also included 3 different feather images, and we've got 2 little tiny speech bubbles with this cute little heart in it. As for sentiments, we have got, of course, happy birthday. We have got thanks for always being my wingman. Or you can combine that with thanks for always standing by me. And we've got shake your tail feathers, because this guy kind of looks like he's doing some sort of fun dance. And we've got birds of a feather, stick together, and you can combine that with "You and I are like birds of a feather." Once again, we have got coordinating dies, and you'll notice here that the connecting areas of our dies are a little bit thicker here and here, and that's because they're not to be snipped apart. This line here, this cut line, will cut away the inside section of your swing so that you have the perfect image for your card. Now we have the UNBE-LEAF-ABLE stencil. This stencil has got a collection of these cool tropical leaf images that will give you a beautiful background to your card. And we also have another Heffy Cuts brush letter die in the word thanks. In this release, I'm also really excited to introduce you to another one of our standalone dies. This is our swirly cloud dies. You get 3 sizes, and it will cut out the outside of the die, but also include this fun stitching effect around the inside, which has these swirls along these edges. This is fun for creating a cloudy backdrop for your birds in the Wingman stamp set, or for building scenes behind your post boxes and mailboxes and any other cards that you may make. It's party time at Heffy Doodle with our newest stamp set, Party Palooza. This stamp set has got a cute little cupcake. We have a birthday cake or celebration cake. We have a balloon, a parcel, a present, and here we've got a shopping bag as well. Now these are great images to use on their own, or indeed to build a little scene on your card. And for some extra cuteness, there are a number of little faces here that you can add to each of these elements. We have a little candle that can be stamped right on top, and a party hat here that you can add to the balloon for a cute little cheeky balloon face. Or of course you can add that to some of the other critters that you have in your collection. We have got the script handwritten font here for the word party, also for the words happy and birthday. As for sentiments, we wanted to stay around that celebration theme. So we've got "You're invited to my party," we've got "Celebrate," "It's my birthday," "Happy Cake Day to you," "It's time to party," and we've also added that in a bold font, a simple font, as well as the scripty, and we've got "Time for party time," and "It's your birthday." Once again, to our dies, we have the dies for each of the images and the words party, happy, and birthday. Now let me introduce you to Everyday Sentiment Duos. This is another staple for your craft room because we have got a selection of stamps which has got a bold sentiment and then a sub-sentiment underneath. We have tried to use sentiments that will cover most of your occasions. For example, we've got "Happy Birthday, eat an extra slice of cake for me." "Happy Anniversary, you guys make marriage look easy peasy." We've got "Congratulations, I always knew you were pretty awesome." "Whoopsie daisy, it would appear I totally missed your big day." We've also got "Sending big hugs, one day I hope to give you one in real life." That's perfect for all those crafty friends across the globe that you send cards to. We also have "Happy New Home, may your home always be blessed with happiness." And "Get well soon, sending sunshine and smiles for a speedy recovery." I'm also really excited to introduce you guys to big, bold words. This stamp set is a little different, but we wanted to add some more sentiments to our collection, and I wanted to also carry on that brush lettered font. These are bigger and bolder, as the name implies, and they're perfect for building backgrounds, perhaps using with embossing powders or doing an ombre effect, and of course they can be used on the outside or the inside of the card. We have got Happy B-Day, Hooray, and Hello You. MEWNIVERSE is our first 2x3 stamp set, and the stamp set includes a cute little kitty, a fun basket, and a ball of wool. We also have the sentiments, "You're the best in the whole MEWNIVERSE." This set also has some coordinating dies for the kitty, the ball of wool or yarn, and the basket as well. So that's it, Heffy Doodlers. I am so excited to see what you guys are going to make with this newest Heffy Doodle release. Please leave us a comment below to let us know your thoughts, and let us know also what your favorite is. If you're making some cards, don't forget to tag us on Instagram at Heffy Doodle Stamps, and over on Facebook and Twitter we're at Heffy Doodle. I'll see you then, and until then, happy crafting!